Hi everyone, this is Judy, and it's my turn to do the screencast for week 1. I don't know how this slipped my mind, but I am going to finish this tonight. Um, in order to get into Google Docs, you need a Google email, of course, and Jan has already done a wonderful PowerPoint on how to do that. Um, so I'm just going to go on the basis that you have an email, that you've typed in your email and your password, and you're now in your mailbox. As you can see, I'm now in my mailbox, and I have lots of mail, as you can see. We're going to just put your mouse over the word Google, and it has lots of tools for you to choose from, but we're going to select Documents. You can use, it has many things to do here, but we're just going to select Documents. And to create a new document, you're going to click on Create, and then Document, because that's what the assignment calls for. Notice that this says Untitled right now. Well, we're going to give it a title. And then we click OK. And then we start typing. Typo errors happen, so we just have to delete. It's very easy to fix mistakes, as you can see. I love my delete button. You can even highlight text and get rid of it. But as you can see, my changes have already been saved. Everything has been saved. Um, and there you have it. This is the end of my video. Thank you for watching me and listening to me today.